One of the frequent questions that was asked is, what is the best business for beginners, especially at this point of time? If you are an entrepreneur or you want to start your business and you have no idea what business to start, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Andrew. I coach small businesses and entrepreneurs to grow their business online. If you are entrepreneurs and small businesses who want to grow online, do remember to subscribe to this channel because we publish weekly business tips. Now, today I'm going to share with you not just one best business, but 3 best businesses that you can start right now. So the first one is selling physical products online. Now, this is the best way to sell e-commerce business right now. Yeah, to start something like e-commerce because people are buying physical products, whether it's online or offline. You see, so a lot of people who are buying offline right now, so they started to learn to how to purchase online. So once they start purchasing online, they will feel the convenience and so easy, and sometimes even cheaper. They will continue to buy online. So e-commerce will grow tremendously, especially starting from right now. If you want to start a business but you do not know what products or what services that you want to do, start with physical products, because find a product that is already in demand and start selling it. Yeah. So, and people, because of the current situation, they basically start to learn to buy online. And this online business, e-commerce business, is growing like crazy. So jump on the trend and helps you to start your business online faster. Now, if you want to learn how to do the e-commerce business, I have this video right over here that teach you step by step how to create your physical product e-commerce business. Now, the next one I want to share with you is there is a demand right now, especially for online training or online courses, because people are working from home right now. They have more free time. They are actually access more to online, and they can't actually go and attend like an offline training or event. So they are looking for online training to upgrade their skills. And also, a lot of people may get retrenched right now and they don't know what to do. One thing is that they want to go find online for a skills that they can learn that maybe will help them make more money. So this is a good time for you to teach online, right? Create a course, online course, or it can be a virtual, meaning that you will teach and get like a few people, 10, maybe 20 people into the class and teach them a skills that you are expert in. Now, once you teach it first time, you can record that video as a video. Then you can use that to create your online courses and keep on selling to the market. So today is the best time to start your online training or courses if you have a skills or experience that you can help the people to become a better person or have a better skills that people want to learn from you. You see, so if you have skills and experience that people want to learn from you, this is a good time to turn that into an online training or courses. Third is to create your own consulting or coaching business. It's the same thing with the training, yeah, but consulting and coaching is a little bit different, meaning that you will guide people or a company to achieve the result that you want. So if you have a lot of experience that you can share, that you can help maybe like small businesses, then this is a good time to create your own consulting and coaching business. Coaching business can even conducted online. Today, I also coach people how to become an e-commerce business owners. So I do my coaching through online, through Zoom or through Google Meet. Yeah, there are already these facilities in place that you can use to actually create your own coaching business. Now, I'm going to create another video specifically to teach you how to start your online coaching business. Now, if you're interested, do remember to subscribe to these channels and turn on the notification bell so that when we publish the next video, you will be notified. Now, I hope this short video will help you get an idea what are the best business to start right now. So these are the top 3 on my list. First is physical product e-commerce business. Second is to create your online training or courses. Third is to create the consulting and coaching business. And I hope you will start taking action and work towards making your dreams come true or making your business come true. So meanwhile, these are some of the videos that you can watch to help you grow your business online. I will see you real soon in my next video.